Here we are going to solve a numerical of conical tank. This numerical is related to the time of emptying of conical tank. First of all, we read the question. Our tank 3 meter high and filled with water has the form of first term of cone with the smaller end pointing downward. The upper end 2.4 meter diameter and lower end has 1.2 meter diameter. The bottom end contain a central orifice and whose average CD coefficient of discharge is 0.6, which is to empty the tank in 6 minutes. Find the size of the orifice. Here we read the question and we know this is the conical tank numerical. So we make a figure to understand the question. Let this is the cone. This is conical shape tank. First term of conical shape tank. Here this is center line and we have orifice here at the central orifice is said in the question, and this diameter is given. This diameter is given as 2.4 meter and lower end diameter is also given. This is 1.2 meter. This is 3D view and we can see the 2D view in upper figure. If the diameter is 2.4 meter, your radius is 1.2 meter. This is R1. R1 is equal to 1.2 meter. And this is 1.2 meter, so your radius, this is R0, equal to 0.6 meter. And we have other given coefficient of discharge is given, time to empty your tank is given, this is 6 minutes. So first of all we write the given what is given in the question. Height of tank is given. Let the height of tank as S1. This is 3 meter. Upper diameter is given. This is upper dia. This is D1 equal to 2.4 meter. From here we can calculate radius. This is R1 equal to 1.2 meter. And lower diameter is given. Let this is D0 and 1.2 meter is the value, and from here radius R2 is 0.6 meter. This is R0 here, and time to empty your tank is given, and coefficient of discharge is given. Coefficient of discharge CD is 0.6 and time of emptying. This is total T equal to 6 minutes. We can convert it in second. 6 into 60, which is 360 second. We have to find the size of the orifice. For size of orifice, we can calculate its area or diameter. Let's we calculate the diameter. Let this is D equal to what? It is easier to calculate all the required parameter from this 2D view. So we rub this. Here we can write H1, this height of the tank. This is 3 meter. And radius 1.2 meter. This is 0.6 meter. And we can calculate this height. Let this is S0. How to calculate this S0? We use similar triangle concept here. We have similar triangle. This is R1 and here is R0, and we have this total height. Total height is, this is S1 is 3 meter, total S1 plus S0. This small height is H naught. So from here we calculate this value of H naught. This is R1 upon R naught equal to H1 plus H naught upon H naught. This R1 is given, R naught is given. R1 is 1.2 and R naught is 0.6 equal to H1 upon H naught plus 1. Here this 1.2 upon 0.6, this is equal to 2, and let's subtract this from here, equal to H by H naught. From here we get H equal to H naught. This value of H and H naught are equal. This is H1. Value of H1 and H naught are equal. Therefore, H naught is 3 meter. This liquid fall from this whole height. During that time, liquid level falls to height H above the orifice, where the radius is, let this is X. So we can write here, this is X from this figure. This height is, total height is this H naught plus H. We wrote all the given parameter. At any instant of time, the liquid reaches at height H, where the radius is X, and after a small interval of time dt, the liquid level decreases by height dh. Let small height, this is dh. So we write that at any instant of time, the liquid, here water, in the question water is given. Water reaches at level H, that is this height H above the orifice, and in a small interval of time dt, the water level falls by height dh. So that we can calculate here volume drop in a small interval of time dt. This is equal to, let this is V fall, equal to the surface area at height h, this is pi x square into small height dh. This is the volume drop in small interval of time dt. We can convert this x in terms of radius and other this parameter. This is pi into, we use again similar triangle here. This x is equal to R1 upon x equal to this whole H1 plus H0 upon the height up to here, H0 plus H. Here we get the value of x. Value of x is we know this value of R1. R1 is given as 1.2 meter, and This is h naught plus h. H naught is 3 meter plus small h upon h naught plus h naught. This h naught and h1 are 3 meter. It is equal to 6. So therefore x equal to 0.5. 1.2 divided by 6 is 0.2. 3 plus h. So we can put this value of x here, or we can square x. X square equal to square of 0.2 is 0.04 and 3 plus h whole square. So put this value here. Here we calculate the volume of fall in small interval of time dt. This height fall by dh. And now we can calculate at the same time dt the volume out from this orifice. Let this is V out equal to, this V out can be calculated by coefficient of discharge into the area of the orifice. Let area of orifice is A, or we can write in terms of diameter pi by 4d square. Let this be A and root under 2g into height of water above orifice. This is h, and this is the discharge, and we have to multiply with time. This is dt, and this volume of fall must be equal to volume of liquid out flowing out from this orifice. Therefore we equate these two. V fall equal to V out. This V fall is pi into 0.04 into, we can square this term. This square of 3 is 9 plus 6h plus h square. Just use a plus b whole square here, and dh is here. This must be equal to this CD into area of orifice into root under 2g h into dt. Here we put negative sign. We know this negative sign indicates what? This negative sign indicates with increase of time the water level decreases. So we can write here negative sign indicates with increase of time water level decrease. So that from here this equation we can calculate this time dt. This is equal to pi into 0.04 into this 9 plus 6h plus h square. This is minus dh. We can put here minus, and dh is here, upon cd into a into root under 2g into root under h, that is h to the power 1 by 2, and dt is here. So we can integrate this equation to obtain total time t. We can integrate this equation from limit this initial height h1 to final height h0, from h1 equal to 3 meter to h0 equal to, here as naught is starting, so here is 0. We can write here from 3 to 0. Let integrate this. This is, when we integrate dt, we get total time t, and we can take constant outside. This is pi into 0.04 upon cd into a into root under 2g. This h is the variable here, and this limit from 3 to 0, and we have the variable is 9 plus 6h plus h square, and this is h to the power minus 1 by 2. When denominator goes numerator, we have the power becomes negative, and dh is here, and negative sign is also here. We can use the property of definite integral. When we remove this negative sign, this limit changes. So this limit is from 0 to 3 here, and we can multiply this equation with h to the power minus 1 by 2. We get here 9 h to the power minus 1 by 2, 6 h to the power 1 minus 1 by 2 is plus 1 by 2, 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2, and we have to erase this. This is the equation here, and now we can integrate this. When you integrate this equation, this is t equal to this constant pi into 0.04 upon cd into area for EPC small a into root under 2g, and we have to integrate this only. So when you integrate this, this is 9 into h to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is h to the power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. We have 6 into h to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, and divided by 3 by 2, plus this is h to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2. Limit from 0 to 3. Now we can put limit here. This total time is given. Total time is given as 6 minutes, which is 360 seconds. We wrote in the given, what is given in the question. This is pi into 0.04 upon this coefficient of discharge is given as 0.6, and this area which we have to calculate into root under 2 into 9.81, and we can put the limit here, this 3 and 0 into this 1 by 2 is into 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 2 plus we have here 6 into, in place of h we put 3, and here we have 2 by 3 into 3 to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 5 into 3 to the power 5 by 2. This is our equation. From here we can calculate unknown parameter a, or here we have to find a, so we separate a from here. This is pi into 0.04 upon, we multiply this here, this is 360 into 0.6 into root under 2 into 9.81, and we have remaining 9 to the 18 into 3 to the power 1 by 2 plus we can cut here, this 3 to the 6 and 2 into 2 4 into 3 power 3 by 2 plus this is 2 by 5 3 power 5 by 2. From here we get the value of a. Let's calculate this. What is the value of A? Here I got the value of A as 0.00764 meter square. Equate with this formula. Area of orifice is circular, so area of circle is pi d square by 4 equal to 0.00764 meter square. Here we can find value of d. This is root under 4 into 0.00764 upon pi. From here we get value of diameter of the orifice is 0.09865 meter. We can convert this diameter in terms of mm. For that we have to multiply it with 1000. It is 98.65 mm. So this is the required size of the diameter to empty this tank.